Good day to all my happy campers. Ted Loney here from RV Station Katy with this brand new 2022 Lance 1172 truck camper. This one's built for a long wheelbase. Ordered from Lance with the arrival today. This beautiful day in June here in Katy. Outside 110, fresh tank holding, larger LP tanks, generator, everything, solar panels. This Lance has got a little bit of everything. As we go inside with the bronzite interior, swivel tilt TV, the large Nor-Cold fridge, the MSRP option. Hope this translates well. Ted Loney here, 713-443-0670. I do look forward to hearing from you soon. Order your Lance. Orders placed here in June, July. We're estimating December for an arrival date. Come through the microwave, countertops, the solid surface countertops, flush mount stove, oven combination, and we'll kind of pan around on the floor, coming up on the booth dinette with the storage drawers underneath and the optional bunk setup up top. So we kind of work our way up to the master queen size bed up in the nose, reading lamps, excellent storage on both sides of the bed, and your Jensen AM/FM CD Bluetooth device with extra storage cabinets. Nice little close assist handle and the steps to get up, and then into the master bathroom area. Oh, you've got the nice large shower tub combo and nicely accented clothes hanging rod plus the adjustable shower rod. And we're going to kind of pan back here. Howdy there. And we'll do a quick little pan here. I do look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you for the consideration and happy camping.